just to give you the current situation. I am about to land sa Hague. Galing ako Dubai. Stopover for it's a long haul, it's a long flight. Okay lang po. Do not worry. And I think this is something to do with the law and order noon. At sinasabi ko naman sa mga pulis, military na trabaho kayo at ako ang managot. So ito na nga, for all of the whatever happened in the past, ako na yung nag-front sa ating law enforcement at military. Sinabi ko na I will protect you and I will, ako ang managot sa lahat. This will be a long legal proceedings. But I say to you, I will continue to serve my country, and so be it. Kung ganun ang destiny ko.